This is our presentation on the moon phases. This is the basic setup, the two constants, the sun on the left and the earth on the right. Moon rotation.
This is the first placement of the moon where the dot is facing the earth.
The moon rotated counterclockwise one place to the left and still faces the earth.
The moon is 1/4 of the way around the earth and 1/4 on its axis.
The moon has continued to rotate.
The moon is directly opposite of the sun.
The moon continued to rotate to another placement of the sky.
It is the second to last position until the moon reaches its full rotation on its axis.
The moon has finished rotation and the dot is still facing the earth.
Moon revolution. This is the Earth's view of the moon showing the beginning of its new moon phase.
The aerial view shows the beginning of the new moon.
The waxing crescent shows the moon starting its cycle when you can actually view the moon.
This shows the moon doing a revolution around the earth from a different angle.
The first quarter is where the moon has showed half of itself.
The aerial view shows the sun, the moon, and the earth from a different point of view.
This shows the moon as it has went 3/4 of its revolution, which is called the waxing gibbous.
This is an aerial view of the waxing gibbous because the sun shows most of the moon still. It creates the look of the waxing gibbous.
From Earth's point of view, this is how the full moon appears.
The moon is directly opposite of the sun, creating the full moon look.
Since the phases begin to regress, it shows the waning gibbous.
This aerial view shows the position of the sun, moon, and earth to see the waning gibbous.
When one only sees half the moon after the full moon, it is called the last quarter.
Once it reaches the last quarter, the moon has done 3/4 of a revolution as shown here.
The second to last phase is called the waning crescent.
The diagram shows how the front side of the moon is almost completely dark, making the look of the waning crescent.
This shows the initial appearance of the full moon back to its beginning phases.
The aerial shows how the lighted side of the moon is facing away, creating the new moon.